Now when them fights go down, them lights go down, it dimmers in the village, people might be round. They say that all the people gon' like me now, cause I'm talking about the issues in this life we found. All through the country is people getting slain, priority religion, disobeying, getting hanged. I know some little kids quick to get militant, just give them packs of the gum, they really peeling clips. They told me not to worry about the struggle, and they don't gotta worry cause it's subtle. Tell them about the government taking away the light. Aviation is ruined, they safe when you take a flight, safe when you take it. The continent brought the white man through. White man colonized, wealth can't do. They fly G5 but they gotta land too. We explode like the landmines that they ran through. Like so we try palm trees in the sky, it's a beautiful day. I'm just happy to be alive. I'm playing with slingshots from renewable goods. Think you got it tough just because you in the hood? Negative. I'm positive you would be in upset mode when you wear the same thing like you got a dress code. And yes, I am guilty of being privileged, cause while I'm in the booth, my cousin is in the village. I seen a boy with no father, his mom ain't around, life's harder. Picked up soccer, he try and go farther. Hair is a mess, can't find him no barber. And this is what it's like when you ain't got a life. I'm all they got left, but they try and do right. And they feel my plight, I'm giving them insight. I know we gotta win, till then fly me a kite.